bringing Alice to her new mama in Monroe. Let's see her new journey. Come on, let's go.
Oh my God, she's so beautiful. Oh, come here, sweetheart. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my God, she's affectionate. She likes me. Oh my God, nice. Oh, you came right to me. Oh, you came right to me. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna love you so much. Eat anything, so it can't be my food.
You love your new mama already. So affectionate.
She's so affectionate.
Hi, we are now in Monroe, New York, and we just sent our micro teacup Chihuahua, Alice, to her new mama.
Hi, I'm so in love with her. She's even better than you said. Better than the picture.
See,
I'm
look at it,
extremely happy.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. She is just so precious. No?
And those say those are
Look at Alice, big
And
brother.
these are her brothers.
Yeah. They all welcome Alice's sister.
Peanut.
Peanut, he's wagging his tail.
Yeah.
I'm very, very happy customer. Everything from calling you, the whole week, you were wonderful. I was very, very happy with the way you treated me and talked to me and helped me through all this.
Yeah.
So I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
It was a wonderful journey.
Yes.
And then Alice is already 7 months old, so she's fully grown. And
Yes.
you can see how tiny she is.
Compared to the other daughters.
Yeah, and do you have a new name for her?
Sweetie.
Sweetie. That's her new name.
Because she's so sweet.
She's so sweet. She's a little sugar.
She's so
right?
sweet.
Yes.
She looks like she's gonna be the boss.
She is
Yeah,
going to
she's
be the boss.
gonna be alpha.
She's going to be the boss.
Alice,
She's so
you found
sweet.
your new mama.
She wants to run around.
Yeah. So thank you for joining
Thank
our
you.
Tiny Cuties family.
Thank you
And
so
I
much.
wish you a wonderful journey.
Thank
Keep us
you.
updated.
We will.
Yeah,
I
thank
will.
you.
Thank you so much.